hot tub from Dreamspas 4 weeks ago. Very pleased with it, very happy. My son Callum absolutely loves it. For the past 10 years I've been suffering really bad with my back and my aches and pains. Since having a hot tub, aches and pains have gone away. I'm fantastic. I use it 4 times a week and highly recommend to anybody with any aches or pains to get one of these. For any maintenance issues or any maintenance, it actually informs us by the computer what we've got to do each week. So if it needs topping up with chlorine or topping up with any other chemicals, it tells us what to do. It's straightforward and very easy. I highly recommend for anybody to buy a Wellis hot tub. My boy highly recommends it. Yes, Callum, high five.